Enough of watching deals slip through your fingers. Enough of feeling stuck while others get richer. It's infuriating when every safe investment you hear about turns into a slow bleed. Time draining, money vanishing, and your dream of real wealth fading into background noise. Real estate has always been seen as the fortress, the untouchable asset. But what if the real game has moved behind the scenes, where only the few see it coming? Crowdfunding in real estate is that hidden giant nobody is shouting about yet, but it's screaming opportunity for those bold enough to grab it. Stop settling for crowded markets where every deal feels like fighting for scraps. Crowdfunding throws open doors to projects that were once locked behind massive capital walls. But beware, this isn't your grandma's buy and hold. This is a tactical, strategic battlefield where speed, precision, and connectivity win. You need to be ruthless in vetting platforms. Dig deep, find those with transparent track records, enforceable legal structures, and partners who breathe integrity, because this space is a magnet for hype and shortcuts. Trust no one because your capital and your future depend on it. Next, never fall for the diversify everywhere trap blindfolded. Spreading across random crowdfunding projects without insight is just scattering bullets in the dark. Instead, zero in on niches like multifamily units in growing metro hubs or commercial properties in emerging tech corridors where trends blow wide open before the herd arrives. These pockets don't shout, but they multiply riches quietly like shadows growing in the night. Study local market momentum and keep your finger on the pulse of zoning changes, infrastructure bills, and demographic shifts. This info is your secret weapon. Then, leverage your network like never before. Crowdfunding is not just passive investing, it's an invitation to join a new breed of founders, investors, and game changers who aren't eating leftovers. They're rewriting the menu. Use every connection, every handshake, every exchange to access early rounds, exclusive deals, and private syndications. Demand transparency and partnerships that make you more than a contributor. Become a strategic player shaping the project's direction and profit flow. Ownership isn't just about shares. It's about control and influence over what grows. Don't let fear of complexity hold you hostage. Yes, real estate crowdfunding looks like a forest of jargon and uncertainty, but that's bait for the faint-hearted. Break it down, understand the risks as contracts, timelines, market cycles, and contingency plans. Use professional consultants when needed, yes, but maintain full control. This space rewards the relentless who educate themselves and question every assumption. Reject the passive investor label. Own your journey with obsession. Finally, embrace this truth. The old world of investing is dying. The flag-waving, rule-following, coupon-clipping mindset is obsolete. Real estate crowdfunding is the future's stealth weapon, a silent giant waiting to be unleashed by the few willing to break chains, push past illusions, and build wealth beyond inherited limits. Power, capital, and change no longer flow top-down. They surge through networks of relentless individuals who stake claim not to territory, but to transformative opportunity. So stop screaming into the void. Take control. Identify reputable platforms first thing tomorrow. Analyze market pockets nobody talks about. Build yourself into the rare investor who doesn't wait for permission, but seizes transformational capital where it's quietly multiplying. This is your moment to rip through frustration and claim your place among the few shaping a freer, bolder economic frontier. The silent market giant is here. Will you be the hunter or the hunted?